To cancel your Surfshark subscription, follow these steps. Log into your Surfshark account. Go to the Surfshark website. Log into your account using your email and password. Go to the billing section. Once logged in, navigate to the account section. In the account dashboard, find the billing tab where your payment details and subscription information are listed. Click Manage Subscription. In the billing section, you will see the option to manage subscription. Click on it, and this will take you to the subscription management page. Cancel your subscription. On the subscription management page, click Cancel Subscription. You may be asked for confirmation to proceed with the cancellation. Follow any additional steps or prompts to finalize the cancellation process. Confirmation. After canceling, you should receive a confirmation email stating that your subscription has been cancelled. You will still have access to Surfshark until the end of your current billing cycle. Refund. If you are within the 30-day money-back guarantee, you can request a refund by contacting Surfshark support team through live chat or email.